delicious episode of Shelly Told Me. And today, guys, we're going to be making some Christmas tree breakfast bombs. For our Christmas tree breakfast bombs, you're going to need some sausages. I have some ground sausages here. I have some cheddar cheese. I have some eggs here. I have 6 eggs here. We have a can of biscuits. I'll need a little milk, a frying pan, a good bowl, and a cookie sheet. That's all you're going to need to make these beautiful Christmas bombs. Alright guys, we'll be right back. First thing we're going to do, we're going to get our eggs mixed up. I have some milk. I have a cup of milk and 6 eggs right into my bowl. I'm just going to whisk them just like so. This will give you perfect eggs every time. The perfect scrambled eggs. All nice and mixed up. Alright, so let's cut up some cheese. We're going to cut these into small square slices, just like so. Just enough. You don't want them too big or too thick, they won't melt in the oven the way you want them to. Now they cut in half. So you want about this size. This size. Now if you don't like cheese, just leave it out altogether. That's fine too. I just want to make sure that I have enough. I'll do one more block. Alright. That's it. That's all you have to do. We're going to set these to the side, then we're going to move to the stove. Alright, so let's get started on the sausages. We're going to ground them up. We're going to smash them down. Ground them up. And we're going to get these all browned up when we come back and show you guys what we're going to do next. Now that our sausages are fully brown with no pink at all, and that's what we're looking for. We're going to get them out. We're going to get them into a bowl. I'll kick the heat on. I have my oven preheated on 365. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and wipe our pan out. So all that stuff out of the pan. I'm not using a different one. Again, I'm the one washing these dishes. Alright, when we come back, we're going to start on those eggs. First thing to making a good egg is making sure you don't burn the butter. So have it on a medium low while you're melting your butter. Kind of move that butter around like so. Get your scrambled egg mixture like so. Pour it right in. All that comes in there. And see when it starts to bubble around down there, just hold it back like this. Just pull, 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 and just keep going around, pulling them. It's amazing. Alrighty. So now that we came to this part where it starts to cook, just leave it alone just for a sec. Come back and scrape it in. Alright. And you just come in with the salt like so. Get in there as much as you desire of your salt. You know how you like your egg salted. Look at that. It's beautiful eggs. Beautiful, perfectly scrambled eggs. My brother-in-law, he likes it like this for some reason. I don't know why. But for me, you need to cook them babies all the way. Alright. That is it. Perfect scrambled egg, guys. Alright, let's move back to the countertop and show you how to make these bombs. Alright, so first thing we gotta open these biscuit tins up. Oh, how much I hate to do this. Every time. Oh. So, I'm gonna take your hand and just flatten them out. Just like so, just flatten your biscuits out. Turn them into a circle and just flatten them. Just like so. I'm gonna grab my, you grab your biscuit. I'm gonna go in with little sausages, little egg, and cheese. And you just fold it in like this. Get it all in there. Twist the top. There you go. That's your first bomb. Just that easy. Grab another biscuit. Do the same thing. Flatten them out. Like so. Take the form. Get a little beef in there, a little egg. Just keep repeating the process. Cheese. Just like so. Just keep folding it in. Put that right there. Alright, we're back with the finishing of our Christmas tree bombs. Looks absolutely beautiful. And it's just pulled apart. And look at that. Ooh, it's hot. Grab a knife and just cut right into the middle. And the inside got eggs and sausage and cheese falling all out of that baby. It's nice and soft. Look at that. Give it a try. It's delicious. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and as always, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.